Hi, my name is Kari and I'm the product architect for FieldSync Health here at FieldSync. Today what I'd like to go over with you is our messaging feature within FieldSync Health. Now messaging works within the system just like you would expect any email system to work, whether it's Gmail or Outlook, and it can be used on both the mobile and the web application. So let's first take a look at the web application. I've logged in here as a user, and all users have access to the messaging. So whether you're an admin user or a staff user, you have the ability to send messages. So when I select the messages icon, I can come in here and I'll see, by default, I see my inbox. The other folders that we have are also sent items, an archived folder. So what this allows you to do is once you have a message in the inbox, you can move it to the archive folder to kind of clean up your inbox and store the message. And then we also have a deleted folder. So this is where you see all of your deleted messages. So what I'm going to do is create a new message, but to do that you select the new message button, and the To button will display for you all of the available recipients within the system. So this is going to include all of the users that you have set up for you, with the exception of survey role users. So you can see here a list of all of my users. I'm going to go ahead and send a message to Martin Mobile and also to Molly Manager. So what I can say is Martin's vacation request is approved. I'll send the message, and now I'll be able to see the message in my sent items, that it went to both Molly and to Martin, so I can view the message there. And now Martin, when he logs in, and Molly should be able to see that message. So now I'm going to go over to my mobile device and log in as Martin Mobile. So here I'll select my mobile user account and log in. Now you can see up here that I'm logged in as Martin Mobile, and the indicator on my messages indicates that I have 3 unread messages. So when I go into the messages application, here you will see I have those same folders that we had on the web: an inbox, sent items, archived, and deleted. Now to change the folder view that you're looking at, you simply tap on the name. So when I go into my inbox, here I can see the message that came from Annie Admin that we just sent from the web, saying that Martin's vacation request is approved. So now I'm going to reply to Annie Admin, and I'll just say thanks. And send the message. So now you can see that the indicator shows that that message has been read. So if I go back to my dashboard now, the message number is displaying 2, since I now only have 2 messages that are unread. So I'm going to synchronize my device, and then when I come back over to the web application, so now I'm logged in as Alma Admin, and so when I come over here to my web application and go to the dashboard, you will see that I also have an indicator here that I have a new message. So when I go into my inbox, there's the new message that came from Martin. I can view it. It says thank you, and now I can either choose to archive the message or close it, or I can also delete the message. So I'll go ahead and delete it, and now it moves to my deleted items. The nice thing about this feature is that all of it is contained within FieldSync Health. So there's no need to manage a separate email server. We understand that there's a lot of turnover in some of these industries, and so what this allows you to do is, as soon as you have a user set up in the system, they can utilize the messaging system, and they can also receive those messages. So there's no additional setup that needs to be done. You can send and receive on the web and the mobile, and this really allows you to get communication out to your staff efficiently and easily without having to make a bunch of different phone calls, and you also have a paper trail to show the proof that you did send the messages. So please let us know if you have any additional questions. Thank you for your time.